Hey everyone, it's Jimmy from Internal here, and today we're going to be going into part 4 of our advanced tutorial series on HTTP resources. We're going to be covering how to add sorting to your resource in the list view tab. So let's go over to the list view and what we had set up before. And before we get into exactly how we're going to configure this, let's first talk a little bit about the service that we've written here. And so the service that we're pulling data from allows you to pull back the data in a specific order if you provide a URL parameter with the key order and then provide the value, which would be the name of the column that you want to sort by. And so that actually matches up with a reserved parameter that internal uses to enable the sorting functionality, which is sort by. So what we want to do here is we want to add sort by as a variable string. And then we also just want to return an empty string just in case that's undefined, just a little quirk of the service that we've done here. And then the next thing that we want to do is also add an order type, and this is another thing that the service uses to determine basically whether it should sort in ascending or descending order. Now, internal also has a reserved parameter to handle this. This would be called sort ascending. But in this case, our service expects it to be returned as either an ascending or descending value. But actually, what we're returning here would be true or false. So we need to write a little bit of JavaScript here to convert that into the correct values that we want to send over, which is ASC for ascending and DESC for descending. Now let's click Next. We don't want to change anything with our transformer. And now let's go over to the Attributes tab. And then here you can choose which columns you want to make sortable. Let's just choose all of them. Go to Save Your Resource. And now let's go into the space that we've created to see if it works. And now you can see that you can sort by these columns that we've enabled. And that's it. That's how you enable sorting.